Welcome to Motor Minds, your go-to destination for everything bold, luxurious, and high performance in the automotive world. If you're passionate about next-level car builds, exotic designs, and the most powerful machines on the road, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because today we're exploring one of the most elite SUVs of 2025, the Mansory Range Rover. The 2025 Range Rover is already a top-tier luxury SUV, but once Mansory gets involved, the game changes entirely. This isn't just a simple modification, it's a complete transformation. Mansory takes Land Rover's most iconic SUV and pushes it into a league of its own with custom craftsmanship, aggressive styling, and performance upgrades that blur the line between off-road capability and supercar speed. The exterior is where the Mansory signature really shines. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with a more angular bumper, enlarged air intakes, and a carbon fiber hood that adds both function and flair. The iconic Mansory grille adds a meaner, more dominant presence on the road, and every line of the bodywork has been sharpened to reflect power and precision. A wide body kit enhances the stance, while custom 24-inch forged wheels sit perfectly under the flared arches, giving the SUV a muscular, intimidating profile. At the rear, the upgrades continue with a new carbon fiber diffuser, a sportier spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that not only look the part but deliver a roaring, tuned V8 soundtrack. The full LED tail light treatment and subtle carbon details bring everything together with finesse. Performance-wise, Mansory has tuned the 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 to push out around 620 horsepower. That's a significant boost over the stock version, launching this full-size SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. It's not just fast for an SUV, it's fast, period. And all of that power is delivered with refinement, thanks to upgraded suspension components and tuning that maintain the signature Range Rover smoothness. Step inside, and the cabin is pure art. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting combine to create an ultra-luxurious interior. The dashboard is fully digital, featuring intuitive controls and a crystal-clear infotainment system. Rear passengers are treated to first-class seating with extra legroom, reclining functions, and even touchscreen controls in the long-wheelbase model. This isn't just an SUV, it's a status symbol. The 2025 Mansory Range Rover is for drivers who want to make a bold statement without sacrificing comfort or capability. It's big, fast, loud, and unapologetically unique. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Minds. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exclusive SUVs of the year, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed for more elite builds, performance reviews, and all things automotive. Catch you in the next video.